Hi guys, good evening. Good evening everyone, 2, 3, and 4. So we're just exploring the main street close to our accommodation. Yes, so this is General Luna, Siargao, the main town, the downtown. Bali, ito yung pinaka-sentro sa Siargao Island, General Luna. And I recommend this area. Dapat dito kayo magstay sa General Luna as your base camp for your Siargao adventure, because everything you need is here, like restaurant, bars, hotel, shopping centers. Yes, and we're going to check out that store, the souvenir store over there. Nakakatuwa guys, look at that. Why they remove their shoes? Yeah, because the store required it. Yeah, kasi ayaw yata nila maalikabok. Baka may mga balas-balas pa yung mga sapatos nila. Yes. Tama nga naman, di ba? Oh, para hindi na sila maglinis every now and then. Nakakatuwa lang. And I'm impressed. All the tourists respect the local rules. Yeah. This is my first time entering barefoot and I'm okay with it. The tourist seems to be okay too. Yes, actually feels good walking around the store. Kasi malinis naman, kita niyo sa higmakintab, di ba? Yeah, so now it's time to check out what's in the store. And hopefully I can find some very good deals. Because I've noticed in Siargao, guys, is kind of pricey. Yes, but oh well, you'll only live once, so YOLO. Let's go shopping, baby. Yeah, hopefully I can find really good deals for my friends and family in Canada. Yeah, so napansin nyo din ba guys, yung mga turista dito, mismo sa loob ng tindahan, is only me and my pamangkin are Pinoy. So the rest are really mga foreigner. Yes, and di naman sila Bisaya, di din sila Ilocano, I don't know, di sila nag-i-English. Sasabihin ko sana kabisat, or hello Inday, Dudong, Marajaw na duyom. Marajaw na duyom means good evening in Siargao. Marajaw na duyom, Marajaw Karajaw. Like Marajaw Karajaw, very good. Salamat Karajaw, thank you very much. Diba? Okay, tama ng kuda guys. Mag-ano muna ako. I'm gonna show you all the products, the items they have in here, para naman magaya din ninyo kung gusto niyo magtayo ng souvenir shop. Oh, diba? Ang gaganda, grabe. Okay, see you later, alligator. Ang ganda. How about this one? Wow, 495. That's so heavy. We're bringing back to Canada. Hi, sa yung paliton. Kana ang gwapo. Kana, pwede daw na ni mo paliton. Buy one, take one. Here's magnet. Ini barato kung gano'n. Ma-afford. Sure ka.